This is exactly how MrBeast changed YouTube forever. No one out there has learnt the YouTube algorithm better than MrBeast, and as you can tell by videos such as this, he has cracked the YouTube algorithm, as everyone knows. But what if I told you that there is actually a way that you can actually replicate what MrBeast has done for your own niche and channel? Stick around to the end of the video so you don't miss out on some of these tips that I'm going to be giving you today. The title and thumbnail of your videos are super important, and MrBeast gets this right all the time, because if you look at some of his videos, for example this one on the screen right now, here you can see the title and thumbnail on the screen. Now let me play to you the video and see if you notice anything.
We are now stranded on a raft in the middle of the ocean, and there goes our boat. We are now stranded for 7 days.
So well done if you noticed it, but basically the start of the video, the first 5 seconds complements the title and thumbnail. It's basically a continuation of what the title and thumbnail are actually describing, and that's exactly what you need to be considering for your YouTube channel, and it's exactly how MrBeast has cracked the code of YouTube, and other YouTubers are starting to crack on right now, so don't miss out. Get started with your channel right now and make sure that you do it. But why should you listen to me? Well, I have had a ton of experience over the past decade. I've also helped over 250 creators to edit their video content over the past 4 years. Let me go further with this. As we mentioned, the title and thumbnail are super important. You need to create that curiosity for people to want to click on the video. The click-through rate is the #1 thing that you need to improve, especially for new YouTubers. And most of the time, new YouTubers do not know how to create good thumbnails. As you can see on the screen, these are the thumbnails that MrBeast has created most recently. And as you can tell, the title describes what the video is about and the thumbnail visually describes it. And then when they click on the video, in the first 5 seconds, it is going to be complementing the title and thumbnail, and it's going to be a continuation. And in the first 20 seconds, you need to be following a 3-step plan, which we're going to get into right now. The first step is you need to provide context. So I'll give MrBeast as an example. He says in this video we're going to, basically at the start of every single one of his videos, he gives context at the start so people actually have an immediate payoff straight away when they're clicking on the video, because they know they're getting what they expected when they click on the video. Put yourself in the viewer's perspective. Their point of view is they're on the YouTube homepage or suggested, and they have literally 2 seconds to decide what video to watch next. The second step is, in the first 5 seconds, you need to basically complement the title and thumbnail. It's a continuation of the title and thumbnail in a way which gets them to carry on watching past the first 5 seconds, because if someone clicks off your video after the first 5 seconds, then YouTube is going to see that as a negative thing, and they're not going to send more people to watch your videos, and it's going to affect you in the rankings and in the algorithm. That's why I urge you to consider, because you need to make the first 5 seconds completely relevant to the title and thumbnail. This could be a reason why so many good videos out there that's edited amazingly don't actually get anywhere, because the viewer doesn't actually think it's relevant to the title and thumbnail. The first 20 seconds, you need to provide context. You need to provide an immediate payoff to why they actually clicked on the videos, so you can actually give them a reason to stay on and watch, because once they get that payoff, they're going to decide, okay, I'm going to watch this video in full. I'm not going to skim through it. I'm not going to click on another video. And that's exactly what they're going to do. And then the last point is you want to create curiosity. So you can do this in many different ways. Obviously, if it's an educational video compared to an entertainment video, you're going to do it in a different way. MrBeast does it for entertainment content, of course. So take a look at this video here and tell me what you think he does.
This is the first of 100 wells we're gonna build in this video. Oh, water!
Yes, that is right. He creates the curiosity right there, and then the video starts, and then you've already hooked the viewer to watch, and that's exactly what you want to be doing in the first 20 seconds. It's the most important part of your video. You want to focus your efforts on that. Like I said, if it's not relevant to the title and thumbnail, they'll click away. And then if you don't actually provide that context, you don't have an immediate payoff, and you don't create curiosity, you're not going to get them to carry on watching, because there's a video out there that is going to make them do that. So that's what you want to be considering when you're actually creating your next video. And you need to be harsh with yourself, right? This is something that I had to learn massively as a creator when I was actually posting more back in the day. You have to basically be harsh and say, oh, my video is good enough in the first minute, and then basically, obviously, they need to be good for the rest of the video for them to carry on watching, of course, but then again, the first 20 to 30 seconds are the most important for them to carry on watching, because they're not going to skim past the second minute and have no context what's going on. They're going to be watching the first 10 to 20 seconds to decide, am I going to carry on watching this video? People's attention spans are so short, especially now in 2025 and beyond. you want to be making sure that you are keeping them there on the video. And to do that, you can follow what I just said, which is exactly what MrBeast does amazingly. I want you guys to grow on YouTube as fast as possible, so I have actually pinned a comment at the top of the comment section where you can actually add your channel link and talk about your channel and explain to people why they should subscribe. So I actually want you to do one sentence. Basically, people will subscribe to your channel from that part of the comments. Don't comment it anywhere else, just comment it under the pinned comment section. Let's help each other grow. Please make sure you are respectful whilst doing so, but that is the only time I'm going to allow you to actually promote your own channel in the comment section, is if I have the pinned comment there. So make sure you go there. We're a community, so check each other out and help each other grow. So I hope you have learned something from this video. There'll be more videos coming on the channel, so stay tuned for that, and I'll be glad to help you guys out as much as I can. So make sure you leave a comment if you need any help with your channels, and I actually have a free Facebook group that you guys can join if you want to actually learn more about YouTube and ask other creators out there, network with other creators. We don't allow spam in there, but you can actually learn through that Facebook group. I'll leave the link down in the description. Check it out. I've also created another video which goes over how you can beat the YouTube algorithm in 2025 and beyond. So check out the video over here. I'll see you there. Don't miss out.